Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss Hoffman rule, tricky questions. In previous video we have discussed Page's rule, right? So thanks for watching all the videos students. It is more useful videos, organic chemistry, where you are confusing more. Which topics you are confusing more? Which is repeatedly asking questions in competitive version. So I am doing videos. So what is this? Hoffman rule. Hoffman rule, tricky questions. Easy questions two we will do, and along with that two tricky questions also I'll give. First one, Hoffman's rule. Previous session, I have discussed Sage's rule, right? In Sage's rule, what is that? More substituted alkene is major product. Just ulta here. So what is this? First, last video I had explained Markovnikov rule, anti-Markovnikov rule, no? So there how we have taken their major here minor. Same Sage's rule, minor one is off means major product. So try to write what is the first point here. Off means rule tricky questions. The first one is less substituted alkene. Less substituted alkene is major product. Just ulta you can take the Sage's rule. Sage's rule detail explanation if you want. So please watch before video. So now I am taking one question students. So first one, case 1. Bulky base. Bulky base. So look into this. Bulky bases means like tertiary butyl alcohol, you know, no tertiary butyl alcohol after losing the rest part. So this is O minus. This is bulky base. See, I am taking one example here. CH3, CH, CH3. Next, CH, Br. Okay, I'll take your Br. Okay, this here I am taking Br. Little tricky. CH2, CH3. Okay, this is your substrate. They added here bulky base. Bulky base. O minus C, CH3, CH3, CH3. That's all. If you will see like this alkyl halide, alcoholic KOH. That means simple one, bro. That is the Sage's product. Based on the Sage's product, Hoffman product, we can decide. Here, this is the bulky and especially this one, bulky base. Bulky base is there. Then Hoffman's product is predominating. Hoffman's product is major. Less substituted alkene is major product according to Hoffman's rule. Okay. According to Hoffman's rule. Okay, students, try to write this answer. Hoffman's rule. See, what is the trick we have taken in previous session? Sage's rule is nothing but what we have taken? Poor become poorer. So see, this is alpha carbon, right? This is beta carbon. This is beta carbon. This is also beta carbon. So a Sage's rule means what is that Sage's rule? Sage's rule we have taken poor become poorer, right? Poor become poorer. Suppose if you are confusing now that you can write first. Out of three beta carbons, which is having poor hydrogens. Here two hydrogens, here three hydrogens, here three hydrogens. These two methyl groups are same. This same, but out of this, say, check it. So this is two hydrogens, no? Yes, this is poor become poorer. Poor become poorer is, what is this? Sage's product. Sage's product is here minor. That you can write. If you are comfortable to writing Sage's product, first you can write Sage's product, that is minor here. If you use bulky base, right? Now what is the next one? Among these two beta carbons, any beta carbon you can remove, no problem. Why? Because the coming output IUPAC name is same. So see what is that I am writing here. I am writing here, students. Suppose if you remove here CH2 double bond C CH3, right? CH2 CH3. So this is the nice. This is the major one. Major one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is this? Name 2 methyl, 2 methyl, 1 butene, right? Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 methyl, 2 butene. Okay. See, this is more substituted alkene. Here methyl group, here methyl group. That is Sagejeff product. Sagejeff product. So this is Hoffman's product. That means less substituted product. That's it, students. Okay. So now case 2. Case 2. Case 2, poor living group. We are taking poor living group. See, I am taking one example here. Case 2. Poor living group. So in previous video, I had explained acidic nature of hydrogens. In acidic nature case, their halogens, halides, we have taken, hydrogen halides we have taken. Their HI is strong acid. Why it is strong acid? I explained. Strong acid gives weak bases. Weak bases are good living groups. Weak acids are strong base. Strong bases are poor living groups. I had explained. If you want more details, please watch that video. So now I am giving one example here. Try. What is this example? I am taking CH3, CH, fluorine, CH2, CH3. This is poor living group, students. Among all halides, fluorine is poor living group. If you look into poor living group, base is normal base like O minus CH3. This is. So see, poor living group is there, then definitely its dominating product is Hoffman's product. Hoffman's product. That's it. Try to write. This is alpha carbon, right? This is beta carbon. This is beta carbon, right? Among these two beta carbons, this is Sagejeff product if you will remove here. But if you remove more number of hydrogens removing, that is Hoffman's product, right? CH2 double bond, CH, CH2, CH3. Yes, this is major according to Hoffman. Next, minor. This is 2-butene. This is minor. That's all. Now, case 3. Case 3, bit tricky question. Case 3, case 4. With the help of this video, you can do good number of questions in your volumes and in your competitive exams. Previous year questions also go through it. You come to know. Next to see. What is the case 3? Case 3. At gamma position, bulky group is present. Hoffman's product major. Hoffman product major. That's it, students. Now try to write this one. I am giving one example. CH3, and CH2, CHBr, CH3. Yes. See, with respect to bromine we are talking, no? With respect to bromine, what is alpha carbon? What is beta carbon? Check it. This is Yes, this is alpha carbon, right? This is what? Beta carbon. That's it. This side is beta carbon. This is gamma. At gamma position, bulky group. That's it. Now, I am taking one base here. This is, here base is not bulky, but this is gamma position bulky group. Yes, here also it follows Hofmann's product. Hofmann's product is major, right? So beta, this is beta carbon. Here we are removing hydrogen is major. Here removing is minor. Right answer, just 1 minute it will take time for you, right? CH2, CH double bond, CH2. This is major student, right? Try to write the name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So 4 dimethyl, yes. What is this? 1 pentene. Now minor, can you write what is the minor? Here, removing here. That's it. That is minor. That is minor. What is this? CH3, CH3, CH3. And the next one, what is this? What is this? Here removing, right? CH double bond, CH, CH3. That's all students. That is your answer. Okay. This is what? Minor. This is minor. This is according to Sage. That is according to Hoffman's. This is major. That's it. IUPAC names you can try. Now next one. Next one. What I am giving next one? Last case. Case 4. Just I am giving hint and I'll give the solution next video. Try yourself this question. If you try number of questions, definitely you get perfect.